Saudi Arabia is undergoing a transformative era marked by a strategic shift to diversify its economy beyond oil dependency, as part of the ambitious Vision 2030 initiative. Central to this plan is a new billion-dollar megacity rising on the outskirts of Riyadh. Designed as a hub for entertainment, sports, and culture, this city is not only a testament to Saudi Arabia's growing ambitions, but also a symbol of its evolving identity in a globalized world. Imagine a city where adrenaline meets art, where roller coasters race through the desert, and where innovation breathes life into culture. This audacious venture promises to capture the imagination of millions, with futuristic esports arenas, record-breaking roller coasters, and a world-class cultural district that challenges global benchmarks. Today, let's dive into Qiddiya, the $40 billion new megacity rising in Saudi Arabia. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. Launched in 2018, Qiddiya is one of Saudi Arabia's key giga-projects, alongside NEOM and the Red Sea project. The project embodies the spirit of Vision 2030, a national roadmap aimed at economic diversification, societal modernization, and global recognition. Qiddiya seeks to position Saudi Arabia as a premier global destination for leisure, sports, and the arts, while simultaneously catering to its domestic population's growing demand for recreational facilities. The idea of Qiddiya stems from the realization that the Saudi population, particularly its youth, often seek entertainment options abroad. The project aims to provide world-class facilities within the country, reducing outbound tourism and fostering a culture of domestic recreation. Furthermore, Qiddiya is envisioned as a platform for fostering innovation, creativity, and talent development across various industries. Located 45 kilometers southwest of Riyadh, Qiddiya spans an impressive 367 square kilometers, making it one of the largest dedicated entertainment hubs globally. The location is strategic, offering proximity to the capital while providing enough space for large-scale developments. The site is surrounded by dramatic desert landscapes and picturesque mountains, creating a unique backdrop for the futuristic city. The master plan for Qiddiya is divided into 5 key areas, parks and attractions, featuring theme parks, water parks, and family entertainment centers, sports and wellness, with stadiums, training centers, and wellness retreats, arts and culture, incorporating theaters, museums, and cultural venues, nature and environment, highlighting outdoor adventures, hiking trails, and ecotourism, and motion and mobility, which includes motorsport facilities and innovative transportation solutions. Qiddiya is set to feature several landmark attractions and facilities that underline its position as a world-class entertainment and cultural hub. Six Flags Qiddiya is poised to be the crown jewel of the project. As the largest theme park in the Middle East, it will feature cutting-edge rides and attractions, including Falcon's Flight, which is anticipated to be the world's fastest, tallest, and longest roller coaster. With 6 themed zones, the park aims to cater to a wide demographic, from thrill seekers to families. The Aquarabia Water Park is designed to be a haven for aquatic entertainment, featuring a range of water slides, pools, and river rides. The park will offer something for visitors of all ages. Its emphasis on state-of-the-art technology and sustainability ensures that it will stand out among global water parks. In March 2024, the Qiddiya Investment Company announced plans to develop the world's first ever Dragon Ball theme park within Qiddiya City. This project is being undertaken in collaboration with 2i Animation, the original creators of the Dragon Ball series. The park will feature 7 distinctively themed zones, each inspired by the 7 legendary Dragon Balls. Qiddiya will also host a Formula 1 racing circuit, designed to attract premier international motorsport events. In addition to racing, the motorsports area will include off-road tracks, karting circuits, and spectator facilities, making it a comprehensive destination for motor enthusiasts. The Arts and Culture District aims to be a beacon for creativity, featuring performing arts centers, museums, and galleries. It will host festivals, concerts, and exhibitions, celebrating both Saudi and global culture. Recognizing the burgeoning popularity of gaming and esports, Qiddiya plans to establish the world's first gaming and esports district. This hub will feature arenas for competitive gaming, training facilities, and innovation labs, positioning Saudi Arabia as a leader in the global gaming industry. Finally, the sports complex will include multi-purpose stadiums, training facilities, and wellness centers to accommodate a variety of sports, from football and basketball to tennis and swimming. The complex will also serve as a hub for hosting regional and international tournaments. Qiddiya represents a multi-billion-dollar investment aimed at transforming the nation's economy and social landscape. The project's total cost is estimated at over $40 billion, reflecting the scale and ambition of its vision to create a world-class entertainment and cultural hub. The funding for Qiddiya comes primarily from the Saudi government through the Public Investment Fund, the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund. In addition to state funding, Qiddiya seeks to attract private sector investments, both locally and internationally. Public-private partnerships and joint ventures with global companies are instrumental in sharing the financial burden and expertise required for such an extensive development. Despite its high costs, Qiddiya is projected to generate significant economic returns. Qiddiya will create over 325,000 jobs across various sectors, including construction, hospitality, entertainment, and technology. Over the next decade, the megacity is expected to contribute billions of dollars annually to Saudi Arabia's GDP. Qiddiya aims to attract 48 million visits annually by 2030, contributing to the country's goal of increasing tourism's share of GDP from 3% to 10%. As of today, Qiddiya has made significant strides in its development. Construction commenced in early 2019, with initial plans targeting a 2023 opening. However, major components such as Six Flags Qiddiya, the Aquarabia Water Park, and the Formula One racetrack have experienced delays and remain under construction. The Formula One circuit is now slated for completion in 2027. Despite these setbacks, substantial progress is evident. Contracts worth approximately $2.7 billion have been awarded, accelerating the development of key infrastructure. According to the official project website, significant advancements have been made in the construction of Six Flags with the installation of major rides, including sections of the record-breaking Falcon's Flight roller coaster. The Aquarabia Water Park has achieved an overall completion rate of 84%, with most rides delivered and several already installed. Additionally, construction of one of the planned golf courses is progressing, with 77% of the landscaping completed. Meanwhile, significant progress has been made on the mobility network, with the first bridge spanning more than 1,000 meters now completed. Overall, Qiddiya City is forging ahead with construction, aiming to bring the magic of this city to life as soon as possible. While the project has encountered delays, the recent developments underscore Saudi Arabia's commitment to establishing Qiddiya as a premier global destination for entertainment, sports, and culture. Despite its ambitious vision, Qiddiya faces several challenges and criticisms. Reports suggest that Saudi Arabia may reduce spending on some of its major development projects, including Qiddiya, due to rising costs and funding constraints. This has led to concerns about the feasibility and timely completion of such large-scale endeavors. Meanwhile, the project's focus on entertainment and tourism represents a significant shift in a traditionally conservative society. Balancing modernization efforts with cultural norms has proven challenging, leading to occasional public backlash and necessitating adjustments to certain initiatives. At the same time, critics argue that projects like Qiddiya are attempts at sports washing, aiming to divert attention from the numerous human rights issues in Saudi Arabia. Right now, Saudi Arabia is undertaking an unprecedented wave of megaprojects. From futuristic cities like Neom and Qiddiya to luxury tourism hubs along the Red Sea, the kingdom is pouring trillions of dollars into projects that aim to redefine urban living, tourism, and technology. These projects are driven by the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund, the Public Investment Fund, which is tasked with managing assets exceeding $700 billion. However, despite the grand vision, these projects face significant risks that could hinder their success. One of the kingdom's most ambitious undertakings is NEOM, a $500 billion futuristic city in the northwestern desert, featuring The Line, a linear city that challenges conventional urban planning. Alongside NEOM, projects like Amala and the Red Sea Project promise ultra-luxury tourism experiences, while Qiddiya targets the entertainment sector. Additionally, Saudi Arabia recently announced plans to invest $600 billion in the United States over the next decade, targeting key sectors like energy, technology, and infrastructure. While this diversifies the kingdom's international portfolio, it raises questions about whether domestic megaprojects may face funding reallocations or delays. Challenges such as high construction costs, technological feasibility, environmental concerns, and cultural resistance could derail these ambitious projects. Furthermore, global skepticism regarding execution timelines and the kingdom's ability to attract sustainable tourism could pose hurdles. Without meticulous planning, strong governance, and effective execution, these projects risk becoming symbols of overreach rather than transformation. What do you think? Will Qiddiya and Saudi Arabia's other megaprojects redefine the nation's future or face the challenges of over-ambition? Leave a reply in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.